Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's almost 11 o'clock and I just wake up. Good morning guys. I know, I'm very late আর এই জন্য আমি আম্মুর থেকে বকাও খেয়েছি। কি করব? Friday. Today I think that I will share my realistic morning skincare routine with all of you. So I will talk a lot. So if you like my video, if you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel, and if you are not new, then welcome back to my channel. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Yeah, that's it. So let's start the video. Let me just bring all my skincare products. First of all, definitely a face wash, because we need to clean our face before we do any kind of skincare. It's my face wash. I'm using Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash for today. After face wash, we need to use moisturizer, and for that I will use this moisturizer, Nivea Naturally Good Aloe Vera Organic Moisturizer, which is actually a day cream. So it's after moisturizer, we like morning skincare, right? So we will go outside from home, and for that we must need a sunscreen. And for sunscreen, I'm using today this one. It's Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. It's really a very good sunscreen for my face. When I apply it, I feel like wow, it's so natural, and it gives me so natural and fairy look after applying this. And finally, like, it's a very basic skincare and it's a daily skincare, and I do it daily. You should also do it daily. So it's like minimal product I'm using. So the next one is lip balm. And for lip balm, I'm using the Baby Lips lip balm. It's like a very cute one. I carry it with myself always. So yeah, that's it. It's like the product I'm using today. Okay, so the introduction part is done almost. So let's start the main part of the video. আচ্ছা, ওকে, চুলগুলোকে আগে বেঁধে নেওয়া দরকার। So I'm done with my face wash. Now I should wipe out my face. নাও ময়শ্চারাইজার টাইম। এখন হচ্ছে আমি আমার এই নেভিয়া ময়শ্চারাইজারটা দিয়ে নিব। Feeling like my face has been so soft, and it is not feeling any kind of dryness in my face. Okay, now I'm applying sunscreen on my face. As morning skincare, you have to spend a lot of time outside, so sunscreen to banta hi hai. Okay, so sunscreen is also done. I guess my face is now feeling so good and naturally so healthy. Yeah, like okay. So I'll take a tissue paper and to wipe out the excessive product in my eyebrows. Like eyebrows properly clean থাকলে অনেক বেটার লাগে, সো এক্সেসিভ প্রোডাক্টসগুলোকে আমি এভাবে ক্লিন করে দিব। ওকে, সো ইটস লুকিং গুড, I'm looking good, naturally healthy face. So I have almost done my skincare, so one last part, that is our lip. Okay, so lip balm. You can also use it as a tint, like it looks really, applying it as a tint, it looks really like beautiful. Ooh. Too nosy. Ooh. I'm done with my skincare. So it's a basic skincare, you can do it every day, every single morning. And okay, now just tell me how it was. That's it for today. Do please comment in the comment section. Bye.